Hi there, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I am gonna show you how to turn off autoplay videos in your YouTube homepage. When we try to use our YouTube app, that time we can see that YouTube video already played automatically. You can see it. I didn't click on that video, but it's already in playing mode. And whenever we go any one of the video will be playing automatically. And it will consume our lots of mobile data. So if you want to turn off autoplay videos in your YouTube homepage, then follow my video instructions. So let's start. At first you will need to go to your Play Store. And then search by YouTube. And then you need to update your YouTube application if not updated. So after updating your YouTube application, click on Open option. And then you can log in your Gmail account into this application. After that, click on your profile icon. And then go to Settings. And then there you can see Autoplay option. Actually this is not homepage autoplay video option. This autoplay means, when we finished one YouTube video, that came in next video will play. So you need to go back, and then go to General. Now find out Playback in Feeds. This is your homepage video autoplay video settings. Click on it. Here you can see Always On, that's your YouTube homepage video auto playing. So you can turn it off or you can choose Wi-Fi only, if you have Wi-Fi. I turn it off. After that close it, and open your YouTube application. You can see no video will be played automatically, and it can save your data if you are using mobile data. So this is how to turn off autoplay videos in your YouTube homepage. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.